So the time has come. You're thinking about either getting rid of your Xbox by giving it away, selling it, or just trading it in for a newer console generation. It's all good, it happens. But here's how you get this bad boy ready to go so you don't have any issues. You don't want somebody messing with your accounts. You don't want somebody buying something off of your card. None of that mess. So all you have to do to wipe this bad boy clean and get everything erased just like it's fresh out the box, brand new, all you got to do is hit the Xbox button on the controller, and then you want to come over, go to profile and system, and then you want to come down to settings. Once you get to settings, you want to come down from general and go down to system, hit console, and then once you get to console, you want to go ahead and click reset console. What you want to choose when you're in this window is choose reset and remove everything. You don't want anything left behind. This will make it magnificent, back to brand new out the box like you never happened. Then you want to go to reset and keep my games and apps if you just want to reset this bad boy, but keep the games and apps on there so you don't have to re-download it. But for this purpose of this video right here, you want to make sure you click reset and remove everything. You want that clean slate so you can get rid of this system. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated and it helps out the channel. Don't forget to share the video with someone that you know is going to be getting rid of their Xbox. Maybe they don't know about this, and this will help them get it all squared away, perfect and ready to go. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I also stream on Twitch at Woxel the Man in case you ever want to swing by and say what's up one day. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I've been fucking his ass up for a while, bro. You might as well let me just keep going. I've been blasting his ass. Never. 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 Oh, you seen that shit? Oh, shit. Get your ass out of here, boy. Come back, come back, come back. Come back if you want to.